Today we will solve few trigonometrical identities. Number one, this is problem is sin 4a minus cos 4a equal to 2 sin square a minus 1. We have to make its solution from the complicated sides. The complicated side. Here the complicated side is left hand side. Left hand side is the complicated side. So we will take left hand side as that sin 4a minus cos 4a. We know that sin 4a equal to sin square a whole square minus cos square a whole square. This is from algebraically it is a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So it is a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. Same. Sin square a plus cos square a, sin square a minus cos square a. Again, sin square a plus cos square equal to 1. We know that sin square a plus cos square equal to 1. And this is sin square a and cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. Withdrawing the bracket, we'll have sin square a minus 1 minus plus sin square a. Now sin square a, 2 sin square a minus 1. This is right side. So this is simpler side and this is complicated side. We have to solve from the complicated side. Now the second is same thing, cos 4a minus cos square a to cot 4a cot square a. Taking left hand side as that cos 4a cosec 4a minus cosec square a. Taking cosec square a as common, this is cosec square a minus 1. Cosec square a equal to 1 minus cot square a. We know that cosec square a minus cot square a equal to 1. So cosec square a equal to, this is 1 plus cot square a. When it will go that side, it will be plus. Now cot square. So it is now cot square a into 1 cot square a, cot square a into cot square a cot 4a. That is cot 4a and cosec square a. It is right hand side. This is right hand side. Next, 1 by sec a plus tan a equal to sec a plus tan a. This side is complicated. We will take the right side as to solve. So multiplying both the numerator and denominator is sec a minus tan a. Here it is plus, so we will take minus. Multiplying both the numerator and denominator. It will be sec a minus tan a, and it will be sec a minus tan a and sec a plus tan a. This is a plus b, a minus b equal to, we have discussed it, that a sec square a minus tan square a, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square, we know that sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. From trigonometrical formula, the previous day's formula, we know that this is equal to 1. So it is sec a minus tan a. It is proved. Right side is proved. Again, the other is 1 plus cot a minus cosec square a equal to this one, equal to 2. Taking cot a equal to cosec a by sin a and cosec a equal to 1 by sin a. Here 1 tan a equal to sin a by cos a and 1 by cos a. So by taking addition and subtraction like this way, in similar as fraction, sin a plus cos a minus 1, and here will be cos a plus sin a plus 1. It will be. Now just see that this is sin a plus cos a, sin a plus cos a, minus 1 plus 1, like this. Sin a plus cos a to sin a minus cos a minus 1 by sin a cos a. Here it is sin a minus cos a whole square equal to sin square a plus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square, plus it is plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is minus 1, this minus 1 cancel out, 2 sin a cos a by sin a cos a. They will mutually cancel each other and it will be 2. Now let us solve this one. Cos cube a plus sin cube a by cos a plus sin a equal to cos cube a plus sin cube a by cos a sin a equal to 2. Taking this one as the formula a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b square minus a b plus b square, same as a cube plus b cube. Take cos as a and sin as b, and the numerator is this. Similarly, this one cos cube a minus sin cube a is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b square plus a b plus b square. Now they will be mutual cancel each other. Here also cancel each other, and it will be cos square a plus sin square a cos a minus sin a plus this one, same this one. Withdrawing the bracket, we'll cancel sin a plus sin a cos a, and it is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, is 2, right hand side. Next, other one, if x cos a plus y sin a equal to m and x sin a minus y cos a equal to n, then we have to prove this one. Taking right hand side m square equal m square, value of m is this square, value of n is this square. Taking square, it is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here also a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab. Plus minus, they will cancel each other, and here x sin square a cos square is y square sin square y square cos square. As let us take common x square, it is cos square a plus sin square a. Take common y square, sin square a plus cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square equal to 1 x square into 1 y square into 1 equal to 6x square plus y square. Next, another one, sin a plus cos a equal to m and sec a plus cos a equal to n. We have to show that n into n square minus 1 equal to 2n. Let us take left hand side, this one, n into m square minus 1 equal to 2m. Putting the value of n and m, we will get this. This is n, this is m square minus n. This is n, and this is the whole square, a square plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1. Here sec a plus cosec a and sin square a plus cos a equal to 1. This is equal to 1, 2 sin a cos a, and this is minus 1. They will cancel each other, and only 2 sec a cosec a and 2 sin a. It will be like this. Now 2 cos a sin a cos a, multiply this sec a cosec a into 2 sin a cos a. This one into this one into this. 2 into sin a cos a into sec a, 2 into sin a cos a into sec a, 2 into sin a cos a into cosec a. We know that sec a equal to 1 by cos a, sec a equal to 1 by cos a, sec a into 1 by cos a, they will cancel each other. Here also cosec a equal to 1 by sin a, 1 by sin a and 1 by sin a, they will cancel each other, and it will be 2 sin a, 2 cos a, 2 sin a, 2 cos a, 2 become sin a plus cos a. Now we will put this value of sin a plus cos a, here it is given sin a plus cos a equal to m. So 2 into m, it will be value will be 2 into m, 2m. This is proved. Again, let us take cos a by cos b equal to m and cos a by cos b equal to n. We have to solve this one. Let us take from left side m square plus n square cos square b square. Now m square m square equal to cos a by cos b. So m square will be cos square a by cos square b into cos square b plus n square. N square equal to cos square a by sin square, because n equal to this cos a sin b, so its square will be cos square a sin square b, cos square a sin square b into cos square b. It will be bracket. So this is cos square b cancel out, cos square a plus it is cos square a cos square b by sin square b. Now cos square a by adding this on, cos square a sin square b plus cos square a cos square b. Now take cos square a common, here will be sin square b plus cos square b, sin square b plus cos square b equal to 1. So it will be cos square a into 1 by sin square b, that is cos square b by sin square b. That is cos a by sin b whole square, that is cos a by b equal to n, cos a by b equal to n, so it is n square, it is this. We know that this is given. This is all about these questions. Any questions? If you have got any question, you may send me. I will solve it for you, and you can have it very quickly.